Definitely, these two are very important issues and very important for the unity, harmony among the people. Very important issues. But government should be sensitive to these issues. Manipur, for more than 1 year, continues to be in turmoil. Violence continues. And Mr. Modi and BJP leaders keep talking about nation first. Then Manipur is part of our nation, very sensitive strategic state in the northeast. Why Mr. Modi is not uttering a word on Manipur? Why he is not finding time to visit Manipur, meet the people in Manipur and engage with political parties in Manipur? That is, it shows this utter neglect and indifference to the people of Manipur and their sufferings. So opposition parties have genuinely raised this issue, and Parliament should discuss the situation in Manipur and find some solution to the problems which are prevailing in Manipur. This is what opposition parties are demanding. The other issue, Waqf, it is also an important issue, and it has all potential to create communal tensions also. And JPC has been formed. JPC is yet to discuss and place the report, because it has been referred to JPC. JPC must give its report. We do not know what report JPC has given. Whether JPC is yet to give report or not, that also we don't know. When situation is like that, how come government expressing all the time we are getting the bill passed in this session itself? That creates all apprehensions in the minds of the people. That is why opposition parties have genuinely raised these two issues, and government should understand the sensitivity of these problems and agree to the concern expressed by the opposition parties.